2024 was packed with stellar performances in K-dramas. Join us as we rank the top 10 actors who stole the spotlight this year. Let's dive in. Number 10. Yoon Hee-in in Love Next Door. At number 10, we have Yoon Hee-in lighting up the screen in Love Next Door. Rom-coms are Hee-in's playground, and this show was no exception. He plays Kang Joon-ho, a quiet and introspective man who has harbored feelings for his childhood best friend for years. The series starts with a simple premise: what happens when a lifelong friendship teeters on the edge of love? Despite its predictable setup, Hee-in's ability to express emotions with minimal dialogue made it a standout. A slight smile, a lingering gaze, or even his hesitation spoke volumes. The chemistry between him and the female lead had viewer rooting for them from episode 1. His quiet portrayal of a hopeless romantic struck a chord with audiences, proving that sometimes, the simplest stories are the most impactful. Number 9. Ahn Bo-hyun in Flex X Corp. At number 9, Ahn Bo-hyun delivered a powerhouse performance in Flex X Corp. Playing the brash yet brilliant detective Cha Min-jae, he brought a thrilling mix of action and charm to the role. Min-jae is a man who thrives on adrenaline, solving cases in his own unorthodox ways while flaunting his wealth and charisma. What made this drama stand out was its balance between high-stakes action and moments of vulnerability. Bo-hyun's portrayal of a detective who hides his scars behind his arrogance added depth to the character. Fans couldn't get enough of the stylish fight sequences and his undeniable screen presence. This role reminded us why Ahn Bo-hyun is a rising action star. Number 8. Park Hyung-sik in Dr. Slump. At number 8, Park Hyung-sik took us on an emotional journey in Dr. Slump. Ha Jun-woo is a once promising doctor who finds himself questioning everything. With his career and personal life crumbling, he uses humor to mask his inner turmoil. Hyung-sik's ability to seamlessly transition between comedy and raw emotion was nothing short of remarkable. His portrayal of a man trying to rebuild his life while confronting his fears and failures resonated deeply with viewer. This role marked a new chapter in Hyung-sik's career, showcasing his range and depth as an actor. Number 7. Hwang In-yoop in Family by Choice. At number 7, Hwang In-yoop delivered a hauntingly beautiful performance in Family by Choice. Playing Kim San-ah, a young man who endured a difficult childhood while taking on the responsibility of supporting his loved ones, In-yoop brought layers of complexity to the role. In-yoop's expressive eyes and restrained performance captured the character's internal struggles. He showed that sometimes, the strongest characters are the ones who quietly endure. Fans praised his nuanced acting, proving he's far more than just the charming face from True Beauty. Number 6. Lee Min-ho in Pachinko Season 2. At number 6, Lee Min-ho returned to his critically acclaimed role in Pachinko Season 2. As Ko-hasu, he delved deeper into the character's struggles with ambition, loyalty, and regret. This season explored Hasu's backstory, showing the sacrifices he made and the consequences he faced. Min-ho's restrained performance was a masterclass in subtlety, proving why he's one of the most celebrated actors in the industry. Number 5. Choi Woo-shik in A Killer Paradox. At number 5, Choi Woo-shik took audiences on a mind-bending journey in A Killer Paradox. The drama's intricate plot and Woo-shik's understated performance kept viewer hooked, questioning reality at every turn. His ability to anchor such a complex story is a testament to his talent. Number 4. Woo Do-hwan in Mr. Plankton. Coming in at number 4, Woo Do-hwan gave us one of the year's most unforgettable performances in Mr. Plankton. Heo is an eccentric character with a ticking time bomb in his brain, both literally and figuratively. Diagnosed with a terminal condition, he oscillates between living life to the fullest and spiraling into desperation. Despite the absurdity of his situation, Do-hwan brought a perfect balance of chaos and vulnerability to the role. His desperate yearning to live, paired with moments of unfiltered joy, had audiences both laughing and crying with him. The way Woo Do-hwan portrayed Hejo's inner turmoil, his fear of death, his love for life, and his fight to leave a lasting mark proved his immense range as an actor. It's no wonder this drama captured so much attention this year. Number 3. Yoo Yoon-seok in When the Phone Rings. At number 3, Yoo Yoon-seok delivered a powerhouse performance in the psychological thriller When the Phone Rings. Bak Sa-yoon is a complex character, a successful businessman admired by the world but hiding dark secrets behind closed doors. His life takes a dark turn when mysterious phone calls start haunting him, forcing him to confront his deepest fears and regrets. Yoon-seok masterfully balanced the duality of his character, confident and controlled in public, but unraveling in private. The intensity of his performance kept viewers on the edge of their seats as they tried to unravel the mystery alongside him. Fans were especially captivated by his nuanced portrayal of a man torn between protecting his loved ones and facing the consequences of his past. Yoo Yoon-seok proved once again why he's one of the most versatile actors in the industry. Number 2. Byun Woo-seok in Lovely Runner. At number 2, Byun Woo-seok cemented his place as a breakout star with his transformative performance in Lovely Runner. Playing Yoo Sun-jae, a former high school track star turned K-pop idol, Woo-seok portrayed the struggles of chasing dreams while dealing with personal loss and heartbreak. What set this performance apart was Woo-seok's ability to portray Sun-jae across different stages of his life, from a hopeful teenager with big dreams, to a disillusioned idol in his 30s trying to reconnect with his passion. Every stage felt authentic, as if we were growing up alongside him. The emotional depth Woo-seok brought to the role, paired with his charisma, made Lovely Runner one of the most beloved dramas of the year. His ability to make viewers laugh, cry, and cheer for Sun-jae's journey truly solidified him as a star to watch. Number 1. Kim Soo-hyun in Queen of Tears. And finally, the crown jewel of 2024, Queen of Tears, with Kim Soo-hyun delivering the year's most celebrated performance. Playing Bak Hyun-woo, a genius lawyer known for his wit and charm, Soo-hyun took on a role that combined humor, heartbreak, and raw emotion in perfect harmony. The drama follows Hyun-woo as he navigates both personal and professional challenges, from saving his family's legacy to repairing his strained relationship with his wife. Soo-hyun effortlessly shifted between moments of laugh-out-loud comedy and heart-wrenching drama, reminding everyone why he's the highest-paid actor in Korea. The chemistry between Soo-hyun and his co-star added an extra layer of magic to the show. Fans couldn't stop talking about the rollercoaster of emotions they experienced with every episode. It's no surprise this drama takes the top spot for 2024. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more K-drama content. Until next time, keep binging and dreaming.